ये दोस्तों नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। मैं दानिश महाजन प्रोग्राम बदलता दौर लेकर एक बार फिर से हाजिर हूं। जी हाँ, बिल्कुल शनिवार का दिन है और समय हमें बताता है कि इस समय हमें एक गर्मा गर्म बहस यानी कि डिबेट करनी है। डिबेट का टॉपिक और डिबेट में कौन आज पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे उसकी जानकारी बिल्कुल आपके साथ साझी की जाएगी, लेकिन उससे पहले आज की हेडलाइंस। इलाहाबाद में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के एक भक्त ने नरेंद्र मोदी के मंदिर बनाने की आधारशिला रखी। कथित पुलिस भर्ती घोटाले में यूपी पुलिस का विद्रोह करने वाले लोगों पर कड़ा प्रहार, लाठीचार्ज। झारखंड में पुलिस का एक सनसनीखेज खुलासा, कैदी को रास्ते में छोड़ा और गए सेक्स वर्कर्स के पास। कांग्रेस नेता जनार्दन त्रिवेदी ने कहा, अप्रैल के मध्य में हो सकती है किसानों की रैली। लैंड एक्विजिशन बिल के खिलाफ सोनिया गांधी भी हो सकती है शामिल। जनता दल सेक्युलर ने एक टेप जारी कर कहा, डीके रवि के तबादले के हालातों की होगी जांच। भारत बांग्लादेश के दरमियान हुए क्रिकेट मैच पर अब बांग्लादेश की प्रधानमंत्री ने लगाया आरोप। अनुष्का शर्मा रणबीर के साथ कर रही हैं मूवी मुंबई वेलवेट। किसिंग सीन पर लोगों के फनी कमेंट, कहा हुआ उस किसिंग सीन के कारण विराट कोहली बांग्लादेश वाले मैच में सस्ते में आउट। और आज क्वार्टर फाइनल में न्यूजीलैंड ने 393 रन बनाए, वेस्ट इंडिया को हराया। गुप्टल का शानदार दोहरा शतक। जी, और अब समय है आपको टॉपिक से रूबरू करवाने का। जो आज का टॉपिक है, रिजर्वेशन शुड बी गिवन टू वीमेन इन पॉलिटिक्स। राजनीति में महिलाओं को आरक्षण दिया जाना चाहिए। इसके पक्ष और विपक्ष में आप अपने विचार रख सकते हैं। यू कैन स्पीक ईदर साइड। सो ज्वाइनिंग मी एज फॉर नाउ, और मैं बता दूं ये पब्लिक डिबेट है, आप सभी मुझे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। उसके लिए आपको हमारी स्काइप आईडी RADIOUDAAN पर कॉल करनी है। बहरहाल, ज्वाइनिंग मी ऑन दिस सब्जेक्ट बाला नागेंद्रन फ्रॉम चेन्नई स्टूडियो, मीडिया स्पोक्सपर्सन ऑफ उड़ान वेलफेयर सोसाइटी एंड रेडियो उड़ान, एंड टेकिंग हिम ऑन Jyoti Malik, program manager of Radio Udan. So welcome, I welcome both of you.
Yeah, good evening, moderator, and hi, listeners.
So this debate is on the females, so let's start with the female as well. Jyoti.
Yeah, definitely, I feel कि reservation होनी चाहिए।
क्यों?
सिंपल सा है, देखिए, क्योंकि विमेन की पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं है, और ऊपर से अगर हम जिस तरह से अगर हम अपनी इसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम डिबेट भी कर चुके हैं कि हमारी कम्युनिटी, विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड कम्युनिटी की रिजर्वेशन होनी चाहिए, तो सेम इज द आई मीन आई फील कि सेम वही कंसेप्ट है।
बट इन द बिगिनिंग यू आर वेरी मच रॉन्ग। पॉलिटिक्स में फीमेल्स की भागीदारी है,
नहीं, बट इतनी नहीं है ना जितनी होनी चाहिए।
इतनी होनी, एग्जैक्टली, दैट कैन बी द केस। Okay, Bala Nagendran, your opening remark. Jyoti is favoring the reservation.
Good evening. As I've said, first of all, I have come here to talk about egalitarian society where everybody is treated equally, which means you can judge where I am. I am totally against the so-called reservation, not only in politics.
I was sure you would come with this argument.
Yeah. I want to say first one thing. Women participation in politics has been increased. And even in the 1991, the Rajiv Gandhi government, afterwards the Narasimha Rao government, have given 33% of population in the participation of women in the Panchayati Raj, and women are rightly there in the politics. And if we see the leaders like Jayalalitha, Mamata Banerjee, Mayawati, Vasundhara, and more, now Anandiben Patel, who has joined the party, and the ministers, MPs, the presidents of some of the parties are women like Sonia Gandhi ji. So I think, why do we need more reservation? What's the need of that? There is a participation of women. Women are leading the party. They can take more women if they want.
Okay. So let's open up the debate now. Listeners, आप हमें call कर सकते हैं. My Skype ID RADIOUDAA, and now Bala, my straightforward point. Okay.
Yeah.
So today we're gonna speak on the facts rather than being rhetorical.
Yeah. Right.
As you earlier said, the
Yes.
first question goes to you. You said we live in an equalitarian society.
Yeah.
It was your words, right?
Yeah.
Now
we
I have
want.
the
we
yeah.
want- we
Now
want-
see. Listen.
Yeah.
My question is, if we stay in equalitarian society, okay,
Yeah.
then why others are having reservation? If the others are having reservation, why not to females?
Sir,
As all
others-
the other parties are demanding it. Even NCP is favoring that. A lot of other parties as well for backing this up. Then what's the problem?
Sir, first and foremost, the thing when you say reservation, the reservation puts what? It creates a competitiveness among women. On one side, you say it's a positive aspect, but on the other side, it puts the women themselves against each other to throw horns. But what I want is a gentle competition between men and women. Why women have to fight with women itself? Let them come and contest against men. If they prove themselves well and good among the public, they are going to emerge victorious. Many times it has happened in politics.
Okay. Let's
Do you-
put
do you
forward this
feel-
argument to Jyoti. Jyoti, now Bala has rightly pointed out there is a active participation of the females. यहाँ पर महिलाओं की एक जैसे बाला ने कहा कांग्रेस पार्टी की प्रेसिडेंट है, या फिर हम AIDM की बात करें, या फिर हम बात करें BSP की, तो जो फीमेल्स कैपेबल हैं, चाहे वो ममता बनर्जी हो, then why do we need? यहाँ पर तो फीमेल्स की सिचुएशन इज ऑलरेडी गुड. A lot of females are several female ministers are there in the cabinet as well.
जो 7 हैं आप उन्हीं को ही काउंट कर रहे हैं
No, मैं कर नहीं रही हूँ. You are changing my gender.
This is
Sorry.
Yeah. जी go ahead.
जी बिल्कुल, मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि जो ये वही बात है ना, जो 2-4 सामने हैं, सभी के मुंह पर उन्हीं का नाम ही एक टिप्स पर बस रटा होता है. और अगर बाकियों को सिंपल सी बात है, आपको कंडीशन पता है सोसाइटी में कैसी थी वुमेन की, कैसी है. अभी भी वुमेन को जो बेचारी अकेली रात को शाम को घर से बाहर नहीं निकल सकती, जो सेफ ही नहीं है, तो वो रिजर्वेशन के बिना आगे कैसे आ सकती है?
Yeah. Okay, Bala, reply. You want me to translate?
that would be better.
She's saying we are just counting only a less number, only 7.
Yeah, I got
and
her.
as we know, the females are still vulnerable in the society. They cannot go out in the evening, and we have seen a lot of rape cases as well. The
Oh
condition
my
of
goodness,
females is
again
not
here. Oh.
the condition
Okay.
of the females is not that good. So we need reservations so the females could be promoted in a right way.
See, only one thing I would like to say. Reservation is not a solution to gender justice. First of all, we need to understand. If you take the exams, for example, if you are a man and if you belong to certain castes, I'm taking one competitive exam, you need not pay the fee. But for women, if you belong to any caste, not even in what do we say, the reserved category, but if you belong to any caste, if you are a woman, you need not pay the fee. So that's where the society lies. See, that's what the understanding. How far reservation will remove the vulnerability of women? I
Arey
couldn't
bhai,
get the
my
answer.
argument is when the others are taking what, why not females?
Why not female? Yeah.
Females are already there. Why?
Being a visually impaired, you are getting reservation, but why not?
being a visually impaired, am I getting reservation? That's a good thing to say.
In
But-
politics, no, we are not getting as a blind.
Yeah,
You are factually wrong. We are speaking in the politics
not
now.
in politics, but
First of all, let the government fill that legitimate reservation. Then let's talk about the visually challenged in politics. Okay, fine. If we take about gender, that's what I'm saying to say. As we speak about vulnerability, everybody is taking the reservation. That includes women as well. Every category, if you take religion, there also women come. If you take
honestly-
caste, there also women come. Why there is a gender
honestly,
reservation?
you honestly tell me, do you feel कि women are, I mean, they are capable of, I mean, they are capable enough to join politics? I mean, they are
No,
equal to men.
Jyoti, I have a
You feel or
question.
not?
See, I have a question.
See,
No, first,
I would-
let Bala answer my question.
I would like to say, see, first of all, we should not consider men and women as a substitute to each other. Men cannot substitute women. Women cannot substitute men. Both of them are.
If you see our society, the conditions are like that. They made us to do this thing. What you are saying.
Who made us? See, women. Most of
Now,
the time,
Jyoti Malik, I have a counter question.
Yes.
You want females for uplifting the female society, the female community.
sure.
You want
Sure.
reservation. Agreed?
Yeah.
Okay. Couple of days ago, there is a guy called Sharad Yadav. Okay? He
Yeah.
gave comments, derogatory comments against females. He said, I quote, there was a debate on insurance bill and he said, साउथ इंडियन की जो साउथ इंडिया की फीमेल्स होती हैं वो काली होती हैं लेकिन बहुत खूबसूरत होती हैं. Okay? Only Samriti Irani came forward. There were hundreds of females. None of the members stood against this statement. So what are you, I mean, what are you expecting from the female society? Your female, those who have been elected are not representing females. So what else? How can you assure that if the reservation was given, they will stand before the rights of females?
First, you tell me what is wrong if they said the females who belong to South India, they are beautiful. What's wrong in that?
No, that's.
He
another
said
topic
about
of
figures
debate.
and what is the need of those comments when we are debating insurance bill.
First of all, if we look, it is not only about saying, it is about gesturing as well. That was derogatory condemned by everybody.
Because I haven't listened in which way
No
he said,
problem. But you tell me, this is not about Sharad Yadav. This is about only Smriti Irani. Why one woman has stood? What about the rest of the
this is
parliament?
actually simple thing. This is the chance. If we will, I mean, we will promote them. I mean, if I will get the chance to do something, then only I will do na. If I will be सपोज अगर मेरे ऊपर किसी तरह के रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लग रही हैं या फिर मेरे आगे कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है जिसकी वजह से मैं नहीं सामने आ पा रही हूँ तो मैं किस तरह से आऊंगी?
Mr.
I mean,
Moderator, which proves nothing but women are opportunists.
no.
How can you say no? Because if you want
That's
to
why I
give
was
a
saying
chance,
na. That's why my question was there. Ki, do you feel कि women are capable to join politics?
No,
What do you say? Yes or no? Just
you
yes
have
or no?
that you have to judge.
No, I say yes. I say yes, but I want answer from.
both
No.
If you
Okay,
don't
another
want,
question,
if you don't
Jyoti
feel,
Malik.
you can say no. If you
No,
don't feel, you
my
can say
another
no.
question.
But you, no, I want the answer. I want the answer. You say yes or no.
Yes or no in the sense?
Yeah. In the sense that
Hello?
do you feel कि female? Yeah.
Wait.
Do you feel women are capable of, I mean, joining politics, especially?
Joining politics, anybody, according to the constitution, anybody can join.
They are capable. I mean, according to their.
So you are saying females are not capable, Jyoti Malik, on the radio on Badalta Daur program saying, you are saying females are not capable enough to join the politics. Is it your
Who said?
argument?
Where is
You are putting the question. Is it your question today? Are
I'm
females?
just asking from Bala because
No, but
he
what
was-
is the relevance?
So
If we say
the thing is, see, if women feel capable, let her contest. No one is going to deny, and no one is going to oppose. Of course, everybody has the capability. It is not only about capability; it is about right. You have the
it's
right
not
to
about the
contest.
capability. Yes, a lot of females are there as well. Now my question goes to Jyoti, but before that, Geeta Suman has joined us in a debate after a long time. Geeta, welcome, and what is your viewpoint?
मेरे हिसाब से रिजर्वेशन नहीं मिलना चाहिए फीमेल्स को. इसका रीजन ये है कि देखो आज के टाइम में अगर हम सिर्फ पॉलिटिक्स की बात हो रही है स्पेशली कि पॉलिटिक्स में मिलना चाहिए या नहीं, पॉलिटिक्स के अलावा भी उनको बहुत ज्यादा बेनिफिट है। देखो उनके लिए स्पेशली कॉलेजेस, जो गर्ल्स कॉलेजेस हैं, गर्ल्स स्कूल्स हैं, गवर्नमेंट्स चला रही हैं, तो ऑलरेडी उनको फॉरवर्ड आने के लिए, आगे आने के लिए इतना कुछ गवर्नमेंट ने स्कीम्स निकाली हैं। तो अगर वो एजुकेशन में है तो एजुकेशन में मतलब पढ़ाई लिखाई करके तो वो पॉलिटिक्स जैसे अपना करियर चूज करते हैं।
कितने लोग पढ़ाई लिखाई करके पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करते हैं, पहले मुझे ये बताइए।
No, don't laugh. It's a serious matter, Jyoti. You are falling apart in this debate.
No.
I am also, yeah, that is not, you tell me now what I am saying.
No, the problem.
No, let her.
No, the problem is why do you need reservation where there's a participation?
तो पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करके बैठे हुए हैं लोग, आप पढ़ाई लिखाई की बात कर रहे हैं।
No. Why?
नहीं, बात बताओ, नहीं भी पढ़ाई लिखाई की तो पॉलिटिक्स में एंटर नहीं हो रहे हैं क्या? इंदिरा गांधी प्रधानमंत्री नहीं थी क्या?
कोई ना 5-10 लोग जो गिने चुने आपके,
अगर ये नहीं होते, अगर नहीं होते तो आपके पास ऑप्शन होता है इसका कहने के लिए, ये थे ना, मतलब इन्होंने किसी रिजर्वेशन के थ्रू तो पॉलिटिक्स में एंट्री नहीं।
But Geeta Soman, Indra, you are wrong. Indira Gandhi, you know from which family she comes.
बिल्कुल।
But she was female ना।
So what? Give the example, ordinary female, ordinary citizen of this country.
I will tell you many participation of women who have done a better thing for women, but reservation is not a solution. Reservation will brutalize women. That's what I'm trying to say.
No, what's wrong in it?
No.
Reservation education.
You're telling me what is wrong in it?
No, reservation. See, sir, reservation in politics, which makes women to compete
against they will represent the females. They will try to empower the females. What's wrong in it?
No, now also there is a representation. Now what I am trying to say is, if we provide reservation to women, it will make women to fight against women. We will create a conflict mentality among the gender.
How women will fight against women?
Come on,
you tell me. First explain this.
Yeah, there are some constituencies that are, for example, if you allocate reservation, there will be some constituencies that will be specifically mentioned for women. I mean, reserved category. We have reserved category for SCs and STs nowadays, right? Where you men can't compete there because that category constituency is considered and reserved for women. So there itself proves what? Women is going to compete against women and men are not going to be included there. If you allocate 33%, you imagine among 545, 33% is massive. What we are going to do? We are going to make the same gender to have an intra-conflict. This is not...
So do you feel that men are not fighting against men?
No, this is a competition. Men are fighting against women also. Men are fighting against women. Women are fighting against men. I am not denying the fact that there is a discrimination, strong chauvinistic mentality going among.
So if there is a reservation for SC, so all the SC people are not fighting against their community.
Yeah, that's why I'm... See...
So this is a common... If they have to come forward, they have to... At least they have to win something from somewhere. They have to win.
In my previous debate also pertaining to reservation, I stood by the fact that I am strongly against any sort of reservation. The same stand I take, I'm strongly against any sort of reservation, including reservation on the
basis of... So, Bala, tell me. Here is India, where we know male chauvinism is still high. Male domination is still high. We know there is a problem of the sexual assaults, there is a problem with the dowry system, there is a problem with the domestic violence. If you go by the statistics, the number is very high.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah. To overcome such, okay, now females are getting reservation in the police as well. Okay? So, when it comes to the politics, even the center government has just announced a couple of days ago. Okay? So, government has realized it. We have found a lot of huge statistics in this regard. So don't you think if females representation will be high in the parliament, so a lot of problems can be sorted out?
Sir, no one denies the representation. If female contest in most of the seats and if people elect them, we should not force the people through democratic process that you should only select women in this constituency. We should not dictate the people. It is the people's choice. Women, those who contributed well to the people, they have emerged victorious. Who is Who is there sitting? Uma Bharati. You say, who is a cabinet minister?
पार्टी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि वो अपने कैंडिडेट्स ज्यादा से ज्यादा विमेन को आगे करें.
This time also many women have contested,
Okay,
but they
so Mr.
haven't
Ashish
received the
has
favor
joined
of
me
people.
as well. Just hold on. Yeah, Mr. Ashish, welcome here. And what is your viewpoint today?
Thank you so, thank you so much, Danish. Well, my viewpoint on this is that I feel that right now we do need reservation for women when it comes to parliament. But having said that, I would also want to say that there needs to be a time limit to it in terms of okay, we are doing this reservation, but this policy will be reviewed in the next 20 years maybe, when the percentage of representation is enough. It should not be a endless thing, but right now when women represent about 40%,
No, you are just
50%
lecturing.
of the
You know it's
population.
not possible. You are just lecturing in because you know it is not. It is
No,
not the reality.
But the
So
point
what is
ki
your
right
today?
now
You
we
you
do need
speak-
reservation.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, you
Because
just
50%
yeah.
of the population is not getting enough representation.
Yeah, that this is the answer
See,
required
here-
because if we
here
go
itself
by
you
20
got-
year or 10 year as it
Here
happened
itself
earlier, but
that
is not followed as well.
No, here itself you got a point. As our female panelists have quoted, there is a male domination. See, a man supports women. This is what the society. We can't judge by one crime or few assaults. As you said, I want to take the assaults as you mentioned. Of course, there is a thing called a crime. No one supports that crime. As everybody hates that. Even me too. Me too against the crime against women. I always believe that women needs to be admired rather than being abused. But the reality is, if you take the frivolous complaints based on domestic violence, I'm not offending anybody, but I'm talking the bitter truth. If we take the domestic violence, if we take the dowry case, how many cases are frivolous, sir? How many cases have been filed?
No, but how can you judge?
How many are
How can you judge? Do you have any authentic proof?
Yeah. That's why there is a rule formed by the states. There is a rule formed by the states specifically about the code of conduct in filing a case under the law of domestic violence.
Arey
Even
bhai, that's fine.
Yes,
But
why
there
can't-
are a huge number of statistics available in CBI.
yeah.
Crime.
That's-
So
you know
how
what
you
CBI
can
is?
how you can journalize
how
it?
many
No,
how
I am
many
not.
are right to tell
Any
me?
law which is made will have pros
Yeah,
and cons.
absolutely,
Bala.
yes.
Yeah.
It is not.
See,
No,
Yeah,
Ashish
right.
bhai, what is your point? I mean, why you are supporting reservation for the female?
I am because I feel that there needs to be enough representation of each group. Now, females form 50% of the population, and right now we are just fighting for 33% of their reservation in or representation in parliament. And if a group does not have enough representation in the lawmaking, in the policy making, obviously they will be marginalized.
But here is my question. If we go by the parties, okay, each party has a lot of female candidates who have
Yes.
emerged. They have come forward. Even if we go by this 33% logic, now we have a cabinet. Earlier we have a cabinet of 22 people. So 7 ministers are there. Go by any party, there are huge numbers of females. They have emerged. They have come forward. Why not by the same logic? One side we are talking that women are getting empowered.
When we say huge number, Danish, you have to realize what we call as huge number today is less than maybe 10%. And we are thinking it's a huge number. In fact, it is not a huge number. Right now, what is the percentage of female representation in the parliament?
See, who stops them from contesting? That's what. See,
No one stops them from contesting, Bala. But
Yeah.
like Danish said, we do come from a patriarchal society where we consider that men are supposed to do these jobs.
See,
This is what we
see,
think. So
Acha,
whenever there is
Yeah, till
whenever
when-
there is an election and a man is standing against a woman, this mentality does play some role in our minds that no, this person being a man will be able to handle things better than a woman and than a female, and hence people vote towards a man more than a
woman.
female.
Okay, that's
Okay, so Naresh has joined as well. Naresh, your viewpoint, then we'll move forward with it. Naresh, welcome. Go ahead, please. Your voice is not with us, Naresh. Okay, I think some microphone work. Okay, continue.
Actually, I accept your insinuation, but what I am trying to say is, according on the present basis, the reservations given to the constituencies on the basis of caste like SCs and STs are on the adequate representation of the population. But if you give 33% to women reservation, on what basis we are going to give population?
And again, my question to Ashish bhai is, if my question Ashish bhai,
just a minute, Danish. Let
Okay.
me just respond to this one. When you say female reservation, it is not mutually exclusive from the SC ST reservation.
Yeah.
That reservation will come into it. Out of the 33%, again there will be a reservation based on caste.
It automatically crosses 50.
No. See, what happens is, this is not a reservation of SC ST of 30% and another 33% for females. It is not 66%.
No, I am
it is
also-
out of the 33%, 50% will again be reserved, 50 or whatever, 20% for SC STs, even from the women quota. So you are not basically increasing the quota. You are not increasing the reservation quota. It is a broader classification of quota.
But in general, also women come, right? Out of the sphere of reservation. But what I am asking is, while calculating a reservation for SCs and STs in the constituency, we go by the basis of adequate population and representation. Adequate population, where there is more SC population, that constituency is reserved for the SCs and for STs as well. But in case of women, how we are going to do?
It is Bala, the percentage which is being given is 33%. Women, the male to female ratio, the worst male to female ratio, which is in Punjab and Haryana, I suppose.
Yes.
Still, I think 80 to 100. So they are still not being given
Okay.
a complete percentage of
now,
their
exactly. And now my question to Bala,
Yeah.
now my question to Bala is, and Geeta ji, my straightforward question, okay, we're discussing about the national based politics as for now. How many females are there in the villages who are contesting the panchayati elections? How many municipal corporation in the municipal corporation elections? How many females are there? Did
So
you
there are-
ever imagine the situation of the females in village? How pathetic. They will not sent to the schools even. Don't you think if the reservation should be applicable to every sector of politics, it will surely help them out?
Yeah, now reservation is there in Panchayati Raj. Due to that, many females have got chance. Now they're doing their job well.
No. Oh, because of the reservation, you have emerged. But my question is, on what basis you are going to divide?
But
the
it's not about the question of ability.
you don't
It's
divide it on
male
any-
chauvinism and domination.
No,
33%. Bala, in any constituency of the country, the number of females
for
is more than 33%.
if you let's take Shahpur Khandi, Punjab. As you say,
Any
how can we come to the conclusion it deserves to be reserved for women? If we reserve for women, that constituency must have some basis. It has to be reserved for women, right? We should not dictate the people. You must vote for women.
it obviously when the constituencies are decided, they're decided on some science. It will not be a random pick of
that's
it from the hat. Bala.
Why the women commission is blank on that some sign? That's what my question. Women are asking about this.
Now,
Why they
even now in municipal corporation elections, there are seats which are reserved for females.
Yes.
So it is not that big a matter that which constituency is reserved for whom. Maybe it's a cyclic thing. I do not have the answer to that on basis what they are doing it right now. Is it cyclic or not? But the question here is not how it will be done. The question here is whether it needs to be done or not. That is the second thing that you're coming to.
Okay, my Ashish bhai, two questions. Jyoti and Ashish bhai, two quick questions. Geeta did not reply the last question. Two questions for you. A. As for now, we have seen a lot of females who emerge like anything. If we go by the examples, Indira Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Mayawati ji, or Jayalalitha ji, so many names like that. Still,
Yes.
there is no improvement in the females' empowerment. Whatever has been achieved by the females, it's of their own. None of the special act has been proposed, has been demanded rather. Those acts who have been proposed by the ruling parties, basically by all, not the females have demanded for that. Okay.
Yes.
A. So how, and the other things, there was a time when reservation was asked in the constituency assemblies. So some of the females group come up and rejected outrightly. The argument was given by them, it is unnecessary. Who will decide that they will be representative of the whole female society in India? So now, what do you think? So why we need, if the still a lot of females are there but not doing anything for them? As I earlier quoted the example of Sharad Yadav as well. Only Smriti Irani stood up. None of the members, female
At least
members.
Smriti Irani stood now.
At least it's not matter. Here it
She stood now.
No, it's
Okay.
not the matter of
There are a lot of statements which are made. There are a lot of statements which are made by a lot of people, not only for females. They are made for caste. They are made for religion. They're made for many other issues. Does not necessarily mean that each and everyone stands up against that. Number one. Number two. Again, the same thing.
Arey bhai, when the straightforward derogatory remarks were against the
You-
females, how
what-
can we say that females should not stand up?
Absolutely, I agree there. But shouldn't it be also be the responsibility of men to stand up and protest
when you
against
quote
that?
men as a chauvinist, when we quote men as a dominant force, that
And Jyoti, my question is very simple.
Coming back to your answer
Yeah.
first,
Yeah.
the question that you asked, why only a handful? Because there is a handful representation. When the representation grows to 33%, okay, out of 10, say 10% females who are there in the parliament. I don't know exactly how much percentage representation is there right now, but say it is 10%. So 1 out of 10%. Had it been 33%, maybe the number would have been 3 or 4, which is still higher than 1.
Majority
Once
encourages.
you give them the number, their case would be heard. There will be more voice. Right now, only 5 or 10 are being dominated by 93% men. Same thing
They're
happens in
minority.
parties. Same
So
thing happens.
today,
Why
Mr.
does
Ashish
this
Singla
happen
is
in
giving
parties?
argument,
Their voice-
Bala. So the argument is given by Ashish Singla ji today. We need quantity. We don't need the quality. Okay,
No,
let's fill up the parliament.
But
I would
you
like
do
to
need
come to what
quantity.
he says.
You do need quantity when it comes to your voice being heard.
yeah.
You obviously need
Okay,
some
so
quantity.
out
to
of
step.
50 female, only one person is just raising the voice there. So is it this we want?
Maybe when there are 300 of them, or 300 is a large number, maybe what it'll be.
6 will be raised the voice. 6 would have
Senseless argument.
been. Yeah, see, when the, no.
Senseless argument. Doesn't make any sense.
I will.
Okay, Jyoti Malik, now I have a question. See, a lot of you have to answer today.
Five would
No,
not.
my another question is, go by
Hmm.
in this last decade,
Hmm.
go in any function, go in any workshop, go everywhere, you will surely find on the stages females are shouting, we are empowered, we are equally supporting the society, we have contributed to the Indian economy equally. When the females accepted this, by this logic, why do we need reservation? When in the SBI, Arudhanti, if I'm not mistaken, she is the chairman there. In many institutions, females are dominating. They have emerged with their capability and ability. So why do we need reservation when everybody is accepting? Oh,
No, according to him, I will.
No, let
I will
them
come to
reply.
another thing as
Let them
We
reply.
are
Politics,
do we-
in case of politics, we are not.
Absolutely, there are females who have emerged as leaders in their fields. This only goes to show that yes, they should be treated equally. And when it comes to ruling the country, when it comes to making laws, that is why we say that they need equal representation there as well. Because right now, a majority is not doing them a favor. They are not being represented. 50% of the population is not being represented. 50% of the population is being represented by just 10% people. That
Okay,
is
na-
the entire issue.
Okay, Naresh has joined. Naresh, क्या विचार हैं आपके किस साइड पे हैं?
विचार बड़ा नेक है कि रिजर्वेशन मिलना चाहिए.
अच्छा, क्यों मिलना चाहिए?
See, sir. See, see the participation of men in
क्यों
the
मिलना
empowerment.
चाहिए?
क्यों मिलना चाहिए? क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान जो बेसिकली एक कंट्री है जो मेल डोमिनेटेड है,
Oh
और
my.
जहाँ पे जी इसमें
Okay.
ओहो की बात नहीं है बाला,
Okay.
ये मेल डोमिनेटिंग, और अनफॉर्चुनेटली
अरे
जितने
okay,
लोग यहाँ पे, और एक तो दूसरा इश्यू ये है कि इतने लोग ये कहते हैं कि रिजर्वेशन किसी को नहीं मिलना चाहिए, वो ज्यादा मैक्सिमम रिजर्वेशन यूज करते हैं। खैर ये मेरा इश्यू नहीं है आज का। मैटर यही है कि रिजर्वेशन उनको इसलिए मिलना चाहिए क्योंकि हम उनको आगे लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। जो रिजर्व उनका जो परसेंटेज बिल्कुल कम है उसको आगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश है। उसके बाद वो वहां तक आ जाएं, उसके बाद उनका जो क्वालिटी है वो आपको वहां पे अपने आप पता चल जाएगा। अभी क्या है, जिस तरह की इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स है वहां पे आपको मालूम है क्या होता है, किस तरह से मनी और जो दूसरी पावर्स उनका यूज होता है। तो फीमेल्स का नॉर्मली यूं आ जाना ऑलमोस्ट नामुश्किल है, और जो 2-4 नाम आप लोग गिनाते हैं वो भी आपको मालूम है कैसे आए हैं और कैसे आते हैं। तो बिल्कुल मिलना चाहिए। या तो आप रिजर्वेशन इंडिया से पूरा खत्म कर दो।
Now,
क्यों?
now Naresh,
Yes,
here are some
खत्म कर
points.
दो, that's what
A.
I'm saying.
A, by words you cannot decide that ki India is a male domination society. It is not nowhere written down. Okay, so I reject your argument by saying that.
It is
Number one.
there, bhai.
Number two. No, you can say Hindus are the majority. You can say Hindu are the majority. You can say Hindus are dominating. You can say, अरे भाई, you can say Hindus are dominating because it is an India. A. Okay, now listen.
Go at if you
Now
go
listen.
by
The other argument. Yeah, okay, other argument. Will you please hear? Would you like to hear me? Can I put the other point as well?
Okay.
My another question is,
जी
okay, as you earlier said, I agree. Okay, there should be reservation. By Mayawati ji, by Jayalalitha ji, by this Mamata Banerjee ji, by Sonia Gandhi ji, why they are not promoting females?
If they are not,
भाई
does that
अगर मैं पावर में हूँ तो मैं क्यों चाहूंगा?
No, in that sense, you see.
अरे भाई, you will remain in the power. You will remain in the
में हूँ
power.
तो मैं खुद ही कोशिश करूंगा ना कि मैं पावर में, मैं क्यों किसी को इम्प्रूव करूंगा? मैं नहीं
चलो,
करूंगा support।
भी हैं, अगर ये 4 नहीं कर रही हैं या 10 नहीं कर रही हैं, 20 नहीं कर रही हैं,
हम नहीं करें।
कि नहीं मिलना चाहिए।
How would you ensure other will do that?
If we look into that, how they have emerged if the society is completely male dominated? First of
Absolutely,
all,
absolutely.
let's talk about that. They are promoting or not promoting.
आप मुझे ऐसा बता दीजिए जहाँ इक्वल पार्टिसिपेशन आप दे पा रहे हो या कंट्री में हो पा रहा हो, और वो हो इसलिए नहीं पा रहा क्योंकि उनको मिला ही नहीं है पार्टिसिपेशन।
Still, both you men are supporting that there should be a reservation for women. Yet you want to say that men are dominating women. This is where the interesting fact lies.
आप जो ये मेरे को बात बोलते हैं कि कितनी कुछ, शायद ये की एक बात ये भी आई थी कि इस जो अभी शो चल रहा है इसमें मेल है जो खाली सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। आपको ये मालूम है कि जितनी फ्रीडम आपको घर में, ये क्या गर्ल्स को इतनी फ्रीडम मिली हुई है रात को 10 से 11?
Freedom means what you mean. What you are trying to mean by freedom? Sir, for freedom is dangerous, not only for women, for men also.
बाला अगर आप प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में आ जाएं किताबों से उतर के, बेटर होगा।
Yeah, that's great.
You are not practical at all, यार।
No, this is where I am totally tired of perfect liberalism, you know. I am completely tired of those who speak about full liberalism. Complete freedom is dangerous for the country.
Then what?
There should be some restrictions, sir, not only for women. I'm not only talking about women.
What-
If it
what-
comes
why
to
or
restriction,
only- what-
now
There
we
should be
are
equality
digressing.
now.
I think
For you,
when
why-
you go for restrictions, it should not be any caste or gender based one number.
Yes.
We are digressing there. When it comes to reservation and restriction are two different things. It's about having enough
Shall we
Ashish
talk
bhai,
about 108th Amendment? 108th Amendment, what was the controversy there? Why the
If-
bill has been torn by the BSP people? Why the bill has been torn? Because they want
one
Even
person,
if-
one party not agreeing to a point does not mean that you will not.
but
बीएसपी का तो स्टेटस आप देख लो ना, बीएसपी का स्टेटस तो क्या है उनका?
entire bill effort to the entire effort to implement 33
reservation वो क्या
not because of one party.
बीएसपी कैसा अपना वो कर रही है, रूल कर रही है, तो सबको मालूम है। उसके बाद
33% they want representation of SC women from SC What's this, sir? You want gender reservation? In that gender reservation, you want caste reservation? How fair? How far?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I need to take a short break. I will be back. Be with us and listeners if you want to join. Naresh, just hold on.
आप फीमेल के लिए पीछे क्यों बढ़े? आप तो वो मेल को भी दे रहे हो वो सारी चीजें.
Naresh, just hold on. I have to go for a small break. We'll be back.
जी, commercial break.
दो गानों की एंट्री हुई है नई काउंटडाउन में। कौन से हैं ये दो गाने? इसके लिए कल ठीक शाम 7 बजे जुड़िएगा मेरे यानी अनोखे अंकित के साथ, जब मैं सुनाऊंगा रेडियो उड़ान पर उड़ान टॉप 10। तब जानेंगे कौन से हैं ये दो नए गाने। अभी रेडियो उड़ान सुनते रहो।
Varieties of music. And more, so keep listening. Radio Udan.
Debate is a passion. Debate is an obsession. Debate. It's time to take a stand. Do you think you have an upper hand? Then let's debate every controversial matter in Badalta Door. Every Saturday from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. only and only on Radio Udan.
जी दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है प्रोग्राम बदलते दौर में। और हम डिबेट कर रहे हैं क्या महिलाओं को आरक्षण दिया जाना चाहिए राजनीति में। जी सरिता जी, आपका स्वागत है। वेलकम यू। फर्स्ट टाइम यू आर ज्वाइनिंग इन बदलता दौर। सो व्हाट इज योर व्यूज, व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन इट दिस सब्जेक्ट?
हाँ, मुझे तो लगता है कि महिलाओं को पॉलिटिक्स में रिजर्वेशन मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो एजुकेटेड महिलाएं हैं वो तो जॉब कर रही हैं, आईएएस ऑफिसर बन रहे हैं, कुछ भी बन रहे हैं, मतलब बहुत कुछ कर पा रही है। पर जो कम पढ़े लिखे लोग होते हैं उनको अपने टैलेंट दिखाने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा है। अभी पॉलिटिक्स में कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है कि मतलब कोई लिमिट नहीं है कि पॉलिटिक्स में कि इतना ही एजुकेशन होना चाहिए, ए वाला डिग्री चाहिए, बीए चाहिए, बीकॉम चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। कोई भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है। तो यहाँ क्या होता है कि नॉर्मल जो घरेलू महिलाएं होती है, गृहिणी होती है, उनको भी कुछ कर दिखाने का मौका मिलता है। जैसे जिस तरह से वो अच्छे से अपना घर संभालती है, अपने बच्चों को संभालती है, सारे फैमिली को संभालती है, एक तो अपने मम्मी पापा का भी ध्यान रखती है, और जहाँ उनका शादी हो जाता है वो उस घर का भी ध्यान रखती है, और घर में रिश्तेदारों का आना जाना सब कुछ।
तो सरिता जी, सॉरी फॉर स्टॉपिंग यू, सॉरी फॉर स्टॉपिंग यू। अ ब्यूटीफुल आर्ग्यूमेंट यू आर गिविंग कि जो पढ़ी लिखी लड़कियां वो सारी दो लिटरेट फीमेल शुड गो टू द जॉब्स एंड द इलिटरेट पीपल शुड गो टू द पॉलिटिक्स। सो डू यू थिंक you want politics is politics, whole India is rely on the politics.
I'm going to tell that thing.
No, you said it already.
No, sir.
You said already.
No,
it's not.
No, Naresh, you let her
tell-
speak. Yeah.
I want to tell sir, जो पढ़े लिखे लोग नहीं होते हैं उनको कुछ कर दिखाने का मौका सिर्फ पॉलिटिक्स से मिल सकता है।
Okay. So, Bala, are you really convinced with the argument? Those people who are uneducated,
Okay.
they can show their talent in politics.
First of all,
Yes, sir.
I welcome the participation, ma'am. I respect your views, what you said, but I would like to ask you a
Okay.
question. Okay, fine. Let's accept that there should be a reservation for women, 33% or 50%, or even some of them used to go and say 100% reservation. Fine, but tell me, if you are reserving a constituency for women, so you are going to make only women candidates to contest, right?
No, my question is other. My question is when you are in the constituency, जब आप पार्लियामेंट में है, सरिता जी, जब आप पार्लियामेंट में हैं, जब आप किसी भी आप नेता बनती हैं, तो जब आपको ज्ञान नहीं होगा, अनिवार्य ज्ञान नहीं होगा, तो आप कैसे उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी का भला कर सकती हैं? कैसे आप देख सकते हैं इतने मुद्दों को आप सो आई एम नॉट एक्चुअली कन्विंस्ड। क्या इसके ऊपर क्या कहेंगे आप?
ज्ञान तो हमारा जो देश है वो प्रजा प्रभुत्व राज कहलाता है, इसलिए हमें कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता है ज्यादा कुछ। जो भी प्रजा हमसे मतलब प्रजा हमसे मांगते हैं वो हम उनका विश पूरा करते हैं कि जैसे हमारा बजट।
नो बट देयर आर सर्टेन लॉज सरिता जी, हमें समझना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा। लॉज होते हैं, कानून होता है, तो एटलीस्ट वी शुड हैव द बेसिक नॉलेज।
दानिश एक सवाल और भी है
जी।
क्या वो जो आप बात कर रहे हैं, आपने बड़ी जोर शोर से भी उठाया इस मुद्दे को इलिटरेट को नाम पे, हालांकि इलिटरेट का कोई इश्यू नहीं है। क्या हिंदुस्तान में लिटरेसी का मतलब क्या है? जिसको अपना नाम लिखना और पढ़ना आता है वो लिटरेट हो जाता है? खाली कुछ डिग्रियां ले लेने से कोई बंदा एजुकेट या अनएजुकेटेड नहीं हो जाता है। सिंपल सी बात है। क्या जो किसान पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है
तो स्टडी मेक्स नो डिफरेंस, देन वन शुड, देन नन ऑफ अस स्टडी एनीथिंग, राइट? इज इट जस्ट यू आर्गुमेंट गिविंग?
नहीं, मैं आपको सिंपल सा वो आइडिया दे रहा हूँ, ठीक, जिसको आप जैसे आपने
एक्चुअली व्हाट यू वांट टू से, व्हाट इज योर आर्गुमेंट, व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग?
मेरा आर्गुमेंट इतना है कि जो आपने भी इलिटरेट का मामला किया कि वो इलिटरेट,
मैंने नहीं कहा, उन्होंने कहा कि जो लोग नहीं पढ़ पाते हैं उनको टैलेंट दिखाने का। पॉलिटिक्स इज नॉट अ रियलिटी शो वेयर यू हैव टू शो योर टैलेंट।
जो कुछ कारण से पढ़ने मतलब जो भी पढ़े लिखे होते हैं वो तो IAS ऑफिसर कुछ बनते हैं और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर बन के अपना टैलेंट दिखा पाते हैं। पर जो अपना टैलेंट दिखाना चाहते हैं, जो जिनके पास टैलेंट है, नॉलेज है, पर उनके पास कोई सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है, तो ऐसे लोगों को चांस मिलता है कि वो कुछ कर दिखाए देश के लिए।
Yeah, that's fine, but the reality is, can we dictate the people to vote? You go and vote only for women in that constituency. Is that right?
Who's going to dictate वाला?
No,
what a rubbish point you are making today. I don't know what this is. I haven't expected this rubbish point from your side actually. What do you mean by dictating? No, reservation does not mean dictatorship.
No, that's how it's going. Reservation means dictatorship, putting people into the pedestal and asking someone to contribute to that people.
अगर रिजर्वेशन डिक्टेटरशिप है तो वो तुम पहले से चला रहे हो, लेडीज को तो बाद में दोगे, अभी से तुम लोग चला रहे हो, ऑलरेडी यू आर हैव।
No.
अरे Bala, I don't know. You are a educated person. I did not understand. The bill was passed with the consensus of the parliament, which is run under the democratic process.
It has been torn up in 108th amendment. Why?
Arey, don't talk about that rubbish. What you are speaking 108? What you want to tell? It was not passed. Arey, it is a controversial. It was rejected. Then what? Why are you putting this 108 all the time?
Controversial. That is derogatory that women have done to women. Because see, there has been a provision for.
But that is not implemented, Bala.
No, that's what I am asking. Why?
Arey, when that is not implemented, why we have to speak over?
There is no vision for quality there.
The basic question is raised by Sarita ji. Still the females, the situation of the females is not that good when we talk about in the village or the rural area. In that way, the females, if they will get reservation, they can emerge, they can come up. So even Bala, my question to you, my question to Bala is,
इंडिया में ये मेंटालिटी है कि क्वेश्चन
जी,
दानिश एक और प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे आ रही है। दानिश एक प्रॉब्लम और भी है कि अगर इतनी इक्वालिटी आप देना ही चाहते हो तो इतना लंबा इसको खींच के रहे हो, आप उनको लाओ, जब वो वहाँ पे आ जाए।
This is exactly Naresh, I agree. I am asking the same question to Bala. One side we are asking कि we need a equal participation of the females in socio-economic and politics. When we need it, then why?
मैं आपसे कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ कि इंडिया में जो है कि विमेन्स को रिजर्वेशन की क्यों जरूरत है? इसका इंडिया का जो मेंटेलिटी है कि विमेन्स कुछ कर नहीं पाते हैं। अगर रिजर्वेशन होगा तो उनको लगता है कि हाँ 100% चांस है, तो जाने देते हैं, कुछ करने का मौका मिलता है।
If India's mentality is women don't work, Indira Gandhi wouldn't have become a prime minister in 1960.
अरे Bala, from which family she comes? You are not.
One person cannot do. You have only 2-3 names which are taken again and again.
60 people are there in the cabinet.
You talk about the majority. What is the condition? You don't know what is the exact condition of women in the society. Every day you are reading the news that rape cases, that assault cases, many cases are dowry cases.
Rates will be decreased.
नहीं,
Yeah, at least they will be at least, what do you feel ki now, till now, if women have got
It's a change of
reservation,
attitude and mind, no reservation.
you
and
tell
no.
me only one thing ki till now,
Bala, that's the point we are asking for you. You are not want to change your
I
mindset.
want to change the society.
you just
That's impossible.
tell me one thing. I want. No, Naresh, let me ask. I just want to know one thing. Till now, the people who have got reservation, they haven't got any kind of benefit from that facility. I mean, from that action of government. Those who have got the reservation, SC hasn't come forward. Scheduled caste people hasn't come forward. That visually impaired got reservation, they hasn't come forward. What about the others?
It's not about that.
Many sections have come forward. Then why can't women? You tell me one thing.
Nowhere should be. There are also women in SC, also women in visually impaired, also women who have come under the reservation. That's
दानिश, मैंने तो मुझे तो बड़ा
you want women participation.
Okay, Naresh, I will ask this question and get back to the closing comment. Bala, my question is, when we need the socio-economic and in politics we need a equal participation of the females. So what's wrong in it by making it mandatory reservation for the females? Keep asking the point from you. SC are getting the reservation, ST are getting the reservation, religious people, reservation on the basis of religion is accepted. Why not? What's wrong with female when everybody's getting?
Sir, I am totally against all sort of reservation. I've said it the first and saying it again. That's what reservation should be abolished. Wherever there is a capable person, they have to contest. We are seeing women participation.
Okay, Meenal Singhvi has joined us as well. Let's hear out her.
Let me finish one thing. Even the 2013 report of World Economic Forum says India performs better than the developing countries, even like China, in women participation in politics. Still we want reservation. Still we want to make women to look like it's simply.
Bala, why don't you talk the reality rather than going by the papers all the time?
What are you speaking about that?
Tell me one thing. If women wants to come forward, if the father and the brother and other people, if she's capable enough, but the other people, they are stopping her what she can do.
What your mother is doing there? What the mother is doing? Why she is stopping the daughter?
Why where mother is stopping?
Okay, let Meenal Singhvi hear out. Let us hear out. Meenal Singhvi, time is also there. जी सिंघवी
जी मैं काफी देर से सुन रही थी आप लोगों को. मुझे एक बात का जवाब चाहिए था कि आप बता रहे थे सरिता जी को कि अगर एजुकेशन नहीं है, अगर आपको नॉलेज नहीं तो आप कैसे पॉलिटिक्स चलाएंगे.
माइक के पास आ जाए, माइक के पास आ जाए.
जी तो मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी कि एजुकेशन नहीं होता है ना पॉलिटिक्स में जो आपके हिसाब से पढ़े लिखे हैं. ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल मिल जाएंगे हमें मैन के जो पढ़े.
लालू प्रसाद यादव जी हैं, वो रेलवे मिनिस्टर बने हुए हैं.
सारे लोग
राबड़ी देवी is also there.
और जो राबड़ी
same thing I told in the beginning.
आओगे दाने
same thing I told in the beginning.
ऐसे मिलेंगे जिन्हें
अच्छा
नहीं आती.
बाला जरा
नेशनल पॉलिटिशियन बंदे दोनों हिंदी
अकेली है और अनपढ़ और जरा वो भी एक दो ही है क्या, जैसे हमने राबड़ी का नाम बेटा आदिया फटा
नहीं आती साउथ इंडिया में, तो then what you say they are right according to you.
She is asking if the females are not literate. By the same logic, a lot of leaders does have no certificate. They are not studied.
No, बिल्कुल नहीं है. वो तो हम कह रहे हैं नेता इतने सारे
Bala has to reply.
और कब तक जेंडर वाइज हम लड़ते रहेंगे. That is also one.
It's not about whether you are literate or not.
No, moderator question based on Sarita ji. That's why I'm replying.
अरे भाई, she said because only by that very fact she is saying that female should go.
Yeah, female should go. जब मैन जा सकता है बिना पढ़े लिखे.
Actually, I request moderator don't show that I am
against. पता लगेगा ना कि कैसा वो रास्ता है. जब आप मुझे जानने नहीं दोगे तो how can I know what?
तो मैडम रोक कौन रहा है? रोकता कौन है? मेल ही तो रोकते हैं ना आपको.
तो मेल की ही तो बात कर रही हूँ कि कब तक ये जेंडर वाइज चलेगा. कब तक हम जेंडर वाइज लड़ते रहेंगे.
जब तक हमारे यहाँ बाला जैसे लोग हैं जो ये कहते हैं कि रिजर्वेशन नहीं होना चाहिए.
रिजर्वेशन नहीं होना चाहिए. If you want to give reservation, then you give it to.
जब तक डिक्टेटर्स
And for your information, let me tell you, some people said Lalu Prasad Yadav, and let me tell you, he is a graduate in law and he is a master in politics.
या मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि वो पढ़े लिखे नहीं होंगे. पढ़े लिखे भी अगर होंगे, even though they don't know Hindi properly.
अरे तो language, they don't know language does not mean anything भाई.
क्यों नहीं नहीं है भाई।
So you are saying today South Indian people doesn't know Hindi, and if South Indian people are not doesn't know Hindi, so they are not educated.
10th का एग्जाम नहीं दिया हुआ होता है। मेंस में क्या होता है कि वो ओनली 10th का एग्जाम दिया हुआ होता है, तो ऐसे वो एजुकेटेड नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं किया जा सकता है।
Every language,
जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है नॉलेज ज्यादा मैटर करती है बजाय कि आप क्या।
every language is a language, either it's
हाँ, मैं भी आपकी बात से सहमत हूँ कि नॉलेज ज्यादा मैटर करता है।
इस पे भी आजकल रिजर्वेशन चल रहा है वाला।
Sangeeta Paul ji has also joined us. Sangeeta ji, आपका स्वागत है. Please keep your views forward. I don't know about the females reservation, but they are so late in a debate. जी संगीता पॉल जी।
हेलो
जी, हम तो आपके रिजर्वेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, कम से कम अपनी सीट्स तो रिजर्व करवाते डिबेट में।
लेट आए लेकिन हमने रिजर्व तो करवाई।
This is what reservation will give you, sir.
Okay, संगीता पॉल जी, प्लीज गो हेड।
हमें कितना लड़ झगड़ के आना पड़ता है, लेकिन फाइनली हम
हेलो
आ जाते हैं।
जी जी, गो हेड प्लीज, अपने विचार रखें।
दानिश जी, मैं पहले इन लोगों से ये पूछना चाहती हूँ जो भी ये विमेंस रिजर्वेशन के फेवर में है, मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ ये फेवर क्यों रिजर्वेशन क्यों चाहते हैं? ये कोई एक अलग से कैटेगरी तो है नहीं विमेन की। विमेन और मेन तो एक सोसाइटी का पार्ट है, और जो रिजर्वेशन ST SC इनके लिए तो होता ही है, ओबीसी हर चीज के लिए रिजर्वेशन, डिसेबिलिटी के लिए रिजर्वेशन है, तो क्या उसमें विमेन आती नहीं है? उस विमेन तो उसमें भी रहती है ना, उनको रिजर्वेशन ऑलरेडी मिल रहा है।
अरे लेट हर पुट द पॉइंट प्लीज 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 प्लीज, लेट हर पुट द पॉइंट।
मैडम
अरे नरेश, जस्ट अ व्हाइल, नरेश प्लीज 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 लेट हर गो। जी जी संगीता जी,
तो ये अलग से कोई कैटेगरी है क्या विमेन की जिनको रिजर्वेशन चाहिए? सारे रिजर्वेशन की कैटेगरीज बनी हुई हैं, उनको प्रमोट करने के लिए इकोनॉमिकली वीक हैं या उनको नहीं चांसेस मिल रहे हैं आगे आने के, तो वो सारी कैटेगरीज हैं, उनको अप्रूव किया गया है, सब उनके फेवर में है कि उनको प्रमोट, जब तक प्रमोट नहीं होते उनको रिजर्वेशन मिले। लेकिन विमेन जब इक्वली पार्टिसिपेट कर रही है हर फील्ड में, हर उसमें, तो इनको रिजर्वेशन क्या जरूरत है? दूसरी बात क्या होती है, अगर गवर्नमेंट ये पॉलिसीज बनाती है कि विमेन के अकॉर्डिंग उनको जॉब दी जाए जिस फील्ड में वो ज्यादा कंफर्ट है, तो वो ज्यादा बेटर नहीं है। क्योंकि हम हर फील्ड में अगर विमेन को आगे बढ़ाते हैं तो क्या होता है कि वहाँ पे जहाँ रिस्की एरियाज होते हैं, तो विमेन के लिए क्या होता है कि अब वो ऑल टाइम नहीं वहाँ पे जा सकती है, अवेलेबल हो सकती है, कहेंगे कि ये तो डेंजर एरिया है, वहाँ विमेन कैसे जाए? हालांकि चाहे वो किस उस पोस्ट पे हो, आप बैंक में ही देख लीजिए, हमारे जो स्केल 5 स्केल 6 पोस्ट पे विमेन होती हैं, उस चीज से बचती हैं कि हमें नाइट टूर पे ना जाना पड़े, हमें कहीं ऐसे डेंजर एरिया में ना जाना पड़े जहाँ विमेन।
संगीता जी, आई एग्री, आई 100% एग्री विद यू।
तो हम चाहते हैं ना
फैंटास्टिक।
हाँ, लेकिन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज तो उनकी बराबर इक्वल है ना मेन की पोस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, पोस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज
एग्जैक्टली।
जब तक मेजोरिटी सामने नहीं आएगी ये चीजें हट भी नहीं सकेंगी।
उनके लिए कोई रास्ते बनी हुई है, जहाँ तक
चाहते नहीं है कि ये रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हट जाए।
रिस्ट्रिक्शन तो हम आपस की है
जो रात को जॉब करती है।
सरिता जी, आप भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकती हैं।
नहीं जाती है तो
नहीं,
आप खुद ही
नहीं, ये जो
नरेश मेल नीड नॉट टू स्पीक, लेट द फीमेल्स फाइट ओवर दैट।
Finally some sanity. One that there's not be reservation.
बाला 2 मिनट।
Yeah, let them debate, बाला। Yeah, please go ahead. जी।
जिस चीज से फीमेल को डर लगता है कि वो लोग रात को, आप कह रहे हैं कि हमें रात को ट्रेवल ना करना पड़े, तो जब मेजॉरिटी में फीमेल्स उस फील्ड में आ जाएंगी तो आपको लगता है कि ये सेम मेंटालिटी रहेगी? पहले तो इस बात का आंसर दीजिए, क्योंकि अभी मेंटालिटी।
अरे भाई, पॉलिटिशियंस आर नॉट सिटिंग ऑन द रोड एट नाइट टू लुक आफ्टर फीमेल्स।
अरे वो बात की बात है, मैं उनकी बात का आंसर दे रही हूँ।
बट वी आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट द पॉलिटिक्स। पॉलिटिक्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू सिट डाउन ऑन द रोड फॉर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द अदर फीमेल्स।
No, I was just giving the answer of.
Sarita ji, you reply on behalf of.
या सरिता जी, आप भी पार्टिसिपेट करें।
हेलो,
हाँ जी जी, आप संगीता पॉल जी को कुछ
पहले सुनिए। टाइम खत्म हो जाए इससे पहले सुनिए।
नहीं, टाइम बहुत है संगीता जी, चिंता मत करें आप। हमने आपके खातिर 15 मिनट एक्सटेंड कर दिया डिबेट को।
सर सारे जगह पर वर्क कर रहे हैं, तो पॉलिटिक्स में क्यों नहीं?
अब ये बताइए मुझे, पॉलिटिक्स में क्या ऐसा कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन है कि इतना विमेन आ नहीं सकती इक्वली? वो उनको मिलता है, अब टिकट मिलता है और खड़े हैं, वो जीते हैं, और जीतते नहीं है, तो इसमें ये कोई थोड़ी कि वो रिजर्वेशन इसलिए नहीं जीत रहे हैं, उनको इक्वली दिया जाता है ना चांस कि आप आइए।
अरे नरेश
एजुकेटेड लोग नहीं आ सकते,
पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करें, पहले तो ये बताइए।
हो जाएगा तो उस पोस्ट पे वुमेन ही आएगी।
अरे बाला लेट देम प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट यू नरेश एंड बाला प्लीज कीप क्वाइट फॉर व्हाइल।
वुमेन खड़ी होगी और वो हार जाएगी तो कहाँ से आएगी? लेकिन
मुझे एक सवाल पूछना है,
एक तो आएगी ना कोई ना कोई।
संगीता जी, क्या आप कभी कोई रिजर्वेशन यूज करती है कि नहीं?
ये तो हमारी पॉलिसी मैनेजमेंट की, ये तो हमारी मैनेजमेंट में।
बाला एंड नरेश आर शोइंग द मेल शोविनिज्म। शोविनिज्म, सॉरी
एक मिनट नरेश, मैंने ये कहा है कि हम ये सारी चीजें रिजर्वेशन के अंडर में आती है ना, डिसेबिलिटी है, ओबीसी, एसटी, ये सब रिजर्वेशन में आते हैं, उसमें वीमेन भी आती है कि नहीं आती?
फीमेल्स पॉलिटिक्स में क्यों नहीं है फिर?
अरे क्यों नहीं है भाई, कहाँ नहीं है? फीमेल्स बाय हु सेड फीमेल्स आर नॉट देयर इन द पॉलिटिक्स?
कम है ना, कम।
अरे कम है, मेजोरिटी देखो भाई आप, मेजोरिटी
कोई भी रिजर्वेशन की वजह से है, जो अपने टैलेंट पर जीतते हैं।
See, Mr. Moderator, first thing is, one of our panelists questioned, you ask how many women are allowed at your home. You need someone to allow. You need someone to give a space. You come freely. You enter. You contest.
Now I request Bala. I go to your point. Naresh and Bala, please keep quiet. 10 minutes. I have extended debate for the females only. Let them debate and don't show your male chauvinism and the domination. Please. जी संगीता बोलिए please.
Yeah. You have the example gender wise.
Yeah, please. We have the same example that females are asking for the reservation, but they did not reserve even their place in the debate. Okay, go ahead, bye.
No, we deserved already.
Okay, go do debate, please. जी संगीता जी, सरिता जी कुछ कह रही हैं आपसे, सरिता जी को भी सुन लीजिए। जी सरिता जी।
ओके, मैं ये कह रही थी कि विमेन जब सारे जगह पर वर्क कर रहे हैं, अभी जो पढ़े लिखे हैं उनको तो नॉलेज है, इसलिए वो कर सकते हैं, जहाँ भी जाए कर सकते हैं काम। और जो कम पढ़े लिखे हैं उनके लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा सा प्लेटफॉर्म है कि पॉलिटिक्स के अपने आप को प्रूव करने का, क्योंकि रिजर्वेशन रहने से कि इंडिया में क्या मेंटालिटी है कि रिजर्वेशन रहने से कि जल्दी मिल जाता है सब कुछ, हार्डवर्क नहीं करना पड़ता है। तो ये विमेन्स को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए, उनको भी कुछ चांस देने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा ऑफर है। तो मुझे लगता है कि रिजर्वेशन रहना चाहिए।
जी, बट संगीता जी आई थिंक शी इज ड्रॉप्ड। Try to get her back. जी ज्योति एंड सिंह भी जी, आप कुछ आप भी ऐड करना चाहते हैं कुछ?
जी मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, या
जी बोलिए।
मुझे लगता है कि होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब रिजर्वेशन हो जाएगा तो एक सीट पक्की हो जाएगी कि ये वुमेन की ही होगी। अगर नहीं होगा, 10 लड़कों में या 6-7 लड़कों में 2-3 लड़कियां होंगी, तो दैट नॉट श्योर की लड़कियां वहां पर आएगी। और एक लेडी ही बता सकती है कि कहाँ पर किस वुमेन को कितनी जरूरत है। वो गाँव जाके फिर के वो मतलब एक लड़की से कोई भी दूसरी वुमेन बोलने में भी फ्री रहेगी और काम करने में भी फ्री रहेगी, करवाने में भी। तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि लड़की वुमेन का पॉलिटिक्स में आना बहुत जरूरी है, ज्यादा मेजॉरिटी के।
जी संगीता जी ने ज्वाइन कर लिया। जी संगीता जी,
रिजर्वेशन की कर रहे हैं तो रिजर्वेशन होना बहुत ही जरूरी है कि वुमेन को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए।
जी पॉलिटिक्स में विमेन का आना कोई मना तो है नहीं, अगर वो आती है
ये बात है, लेकिन फिर भी वो कम आती है। लेकिन अगर
रिजर्वेशन की जरूरत क्यों है? जो इंटरेस्टेड है ऑलरेडी आ रही है ना विमेन्स, और जो इंटरेस्टेड है।
मैं ये बात बताना चाहती हूँ कि रिजर्वेशन की जरूरत।
अरे भाई फीमेल सुन भी लो, संगीता जी को भी सुन लो। आई नो यू आर आस्किंग फॉर द रिजर्वेशन, बट इट डज नॉट मीन यू क्वाइट अदर पर्सन।
संगीता मैम,
जी संगीता जी को भी सुन लीजिए। आपको रिजर्वेशन तभी मिलेगी जब आप सुनेंगे। आप तो स्त्रियों को नहीं सुन रही है, तो रिजर्वेशन कैसे मिलेगी भाई? जी संगीता जी,
हम लोग एक्चुअली हमारे लोग हम विमेन्स की मेंटेलिटी ही नहीं चेंज हो रही है कि हम भी इसी सोच में जी रहे हैं कि हमें रिजर्वेशन मिले तो ही हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, अदरवाइज नहीं। क्यों हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है, हम एजुकेटेड है। जो इलिटरेट पर्सन तो पॉलिटिक्स में आ नहीं सकता, वो देश का भला कर नहीं सकता, वो कोई पॉलिसी बना नहीं सकता।
हम ये नहीं बोल रहे कि हमें
नहीं, ठीक है, मतलब अपॉर्चुनिटी आप लोग ये बोल रहे हो,
वो क्या करें?
उनको
आप लोग ये बोल रहे हो जिसको कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिली उसको पॉलिटिक्स में अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलनी चाहिए। ये कोई
ऐसा नहीं है, वुमेन को हर जगह मिलती है, लड़कियां जॉब करती है, ऐसा नहीं है।
लेकिन पॉलिटिक्स में कोई कमी नहीं है। जो जॉब करना चाहते हैं विमेन, जो IAS ऑफिसर जो बनना चाहते हैं, अगर उनको वहाँ पर चांस नहीं मिले तो पॉलिटिक्स में उनको चांस मिल सका है कि वो कुछ अपने गांव का भला करे।
ये रिजर्वेशन का बिल्कुल हट जाना चाहिए। जहां गवर्नमेंट को लगता है कि जैसे गांव रूरल एरियाज में है, तो जहां उनको लगता है कि हाँ विमेन को प्रमोट करना है टोटली, क्योंकि यहाँ उनका पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं है, तो उनको प्रधान की पोस्ट के लिए, उनको जो भी गांव में आंगनबाड़ी के लिए, आंगनबाड़ी टोटली विमेन्स के लिए है। जो सारी चीजें उतनी की जा रही है, आप ये चाहते हो कि टोटली आप परसेंटेज लेके बैठ जाओ फिर ही पॉलिटिक्स में उतरोगे, तो ये
सब कुछ।
ये संगीता जी, आप ज्योति भी कुछ कहना चाहती है? जी ज्योति जी, आप कहिए जी।
ज्योति मीट,
ज्योति कुछ कहना चाहती हैं संगीता जी से? जी